Centinela, ¿se dice Cerro Centinela?
Well,
Cerca de, o este,
doesn't have any shrines.
Cali?
Cerro Centinela has lots of little shrines.
Lots of little what?
Shrines.
Shrines.
Oh, shrines. The Mexican.
Painting on the rocks and Virgin Mary and stuff like that.
Well, it's a popular peak. It's easy. This is tough.
That's Pescadores right there.
This is pretty tough.
Long haul.
Not a lot of people just...
The Sierra Juarez is just over here, and on the other side of that, down there is San Pedro Martir.
San Pedro, yeah. See that pointy peak right down there?
Yep.
That's one I did with Andy.
Which one is, oh, okay.
Sierra Aural
Mm-hmm.
is the promise.
Uh-huh.